Just going through your workshop around delegation, the ideas you have connected with the list of job duties, I mean, it's so masterful to think about like, what are your tasks that make you money? What are your tasks that you could, write a process for? Like the things that you've incorporated into that, I'm sure you could add five more and it would rock every single entrepreneur or every single employee that went through that process if they actually implemented what they learned. Like how masterful is it to put energy into the things you're doing that make you money? Like who doesn't need to make more, profit dollars, right?
Thank you so much for your kind words, and I am also equally excited about it.
Yeah, it's amazing. I'm very impressed with what you're doing. I'm so glad that you're bringing that to our circles, and I'm sure you're getting a ton of value from it. I feel like I didn't know that you offered these VAs the first time we had the workshop, and I feel like that's a valuable piece